Panasonic HTB600 soundbar. Main features are Panasonic HTB600 is a 2.1-channel soundbar designed to deliver an immersive audio experience. Sound channels 2.1 channels. Audio decoding Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, Dolby Digital, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True HD DT, DES HD Master Audio. Total power output is 360 watt. Connectivity are HDMI, ARC, HDMI in 1, optical 1, and Bluetooth. Special features are wireless subwoofer for deep bass. Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support. Experience immersive 3D surround sound with object-based audio formats. Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support enhances the audio experience with immersive 3D surround sound. Wireless subwoofer provides deep and impactful bass for a more cinematic experience. HDMI ears supports high-resolution audio formats like Dolby True and DTS HD Master Audio.